What's going on, guys? It's Ben Wilson with Beardbrand Alliance, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can keep your boots looking fresh throughout the season. First, we're going to go over some of the products and tools we're using today. Here I have some shoe cream. Shoe cream helps to condition the leather as well as adding some color, and it provides a degree of polish to it. If you're pressed for time, just grab the shoe cream and the process is super quick. Next up, we have a standard shoe polish. This one's wax based. It helps to protect the leather and also give you a higher grade of shine. If your boots are a little bit more banged up, like you have some nicks in them, you see here, there's a little scratch right there. The shoe wax, this polish here, will help to cover that up. I have a old toothbrush here that I'm going to use on the boots, cut up t-shirt, and a horsehair brush. All you really need is a t-shirt, an old t-shirt, or some rags. The horsehair brush is, in my opinion, just it's a nice to have, but we'll use it today so you can get an idea of what to do with it. And I also have some water. First thing you're going to want to do is remove the shoelaces. I'm going to take the horsehair brush next to brush off some of the dust that's on the boot. Next, I'm going to grab t-shirt and the shoe cream. Just going to take a little bit, probably about that much there. Then I'm going to work it into the leather. You can see that just the cream alone does a good job in covering up some of the scratches that are present. For the deeper scratches, you want to use the shoe polish. Alright, so we're going to let this dry for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to buff it out. Just to give you a comparison here, this one still has yet to dry, but you can see how it already looks much better than this boot over here. See, we have a kind of a deep scratch right here, so I'm gonna hit that with the shoe polish later and see if that takes it out. Alright, all done. Now we're gonna wait for the shoes to dry a little bit, and then we'll hit this pair with the shoe polish just a little bit, and this pair here I'll just buff this one out. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes now. So what we're gonna do now is buff out the boots. I got my rag here. All you're gonna do is just go over it. This is gonna help bring out the shine. You can also use the horsehair brush to do the same. I'm using light pressure, not pressing down too hard because I don't want to rub off the polish. There it is. Use a horsehair brush on this one. Okay. Show them both to you so you can get a bit of a comparison. They're about the same. The one on the left is a little bit shinier. You can start off with the horsehair brush and then finish it up with the rag to bring out a little bit more of the shine. So depending on how often you wear your boots, I would condition them 1 to 2 times a month. You can kind of look at them and look when they're starting to get a little dull and raggedy. For this pair, I'm going to hit them with the shoe polish, shoe wax. Like I said before, this pair is a little bit more banged up. It had some scratches on it. I tend to wear these more often, so I'm going to hit it with the shoe polish just to help to protect it a little bit more. I only put about 1 coat of polish on it because, again, I'm not trying to get them to be parade gloss shiny. Yeah, there it is. So you can see that's really all you need is just the shoe cream. You don't really need to do anything more than that, and it doesn't take as long if you're just using the shoe cream. Next, I'm going to use the toothbrush, smear it around the wax a little bit. Spend more time on the areas that have the nicks and the scratches. So like right here, a little bit more there. Add a little bit of water to it. That was a little too much water there. You just really just want to dab the brush or the cloth, whatever you're using. You don't want to get too much water to saturate it. Boot number 1's done. I'm gonna set it aside, wait for it to dry. This one I'm gonna use t-shirt to apply shoe polish. Just getting a little bit there, not too much. Dab it with a little bit of water. Again, I'm gonna spend more time on the areas that have the scratches. So right there. Sure to work it into the cracks. And you don't have to use a lot. A little bit goes a long way. All it's really going to take when it comes time to retouch your boots is just 1 layer of shoe polish. So you're not going to have to spend too much time. That's just if you're keeping up with your the maintenance. Okay, that's it. Set these aside for another 20 minutes and we'll come back and buff it out. Boots are dry. You go ahead and buff them out. Use this horsehair brush to remove a little bit of the excess polish. Okay, that's the first one. See, it's a little shinier than it was the last time with just the shoe cream. On this one, I'm going to use t-shirt. Okay. As you can see, the one on the right is a little bit more shiny with just using the my t-shirt. This other one I'm gonna have to go back over with my t-shirt to get shiny. So that's why I usually prefer just using a t-shirt or a rag to for this step. If you want to get a little bit more shine when you're doing this, you can blow some hot air on your boot. And then go back over it with your t-shirt. Again, you don't want to polish too hard because then you'll remove the polish. So just light pressure is all you need. Okay, there we have it. That's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Dude, you're looking for the world's most amazing product? Then grab yourself some utility balm. It works on your body, works on your beard, on your hair, on your face, anywhere that you want to hydrate and moisturize. Grab it over at beardbrand.com and upgrade your life. 3.4 ounces is going to last you a long time.